Welcome back, everybody. Back again. Today we've got 3 blaster boxes from Walmart 2019 Topps Series 2. These have the Mookie Betts exclusive highlight cards. These particular ones, each one of these had a coupon on it for $2 off each box. So that's a pretty good deal if you can find those. I'm not sure if they're on all of the boxes, but every one of the boxes in the display that I saw at Walmart had them. So quick, easy, $6 on these, $18 a piece. With all of the hot rookies in it, that's a pretty good deal for these. I would say 99 cards per box. We got 3 of them. So we'll try to get through this as quick as possible. 300 cards, roughly. Each one of them has the 150-year commemorative patch, 1 per box. Let's see, our first one right here, Anthony Rizzo. There you go, all you Cubby fans. We got 7 packs per box. 14 cards per pack out of this retail configuration. Freddie Johnson, insert. There's your home run challenge, Kyle Schwarber. I pulled this exact card out of Series 1. Of course, I'm chasing the big 4 rookies. Alonso, Jimenez, Tatis, and Guerrero. I'm not sure if the Guerrero short print is in retail. Maybe we'll hit one and answer that question. There's a rainbow, Nicky Delmonico. Franchise feats. This must be a retail exclusive insert. Didn't see any of these in our hobby box, so assuming that's the case. There's an Evolution insert, Phillies. Yeah. Gary V insert, Alex Bregman. Kind of looks like a 59 Topps design there. Kikuchi rookie. Oh, look at that one. All-Star, 84 All-Star, Ken Griffey Jr. insert. That's a nice looking one. Ricky Henderson, greatest players insert. Looks like probably a short print right there. Edgar Martinez. I'll go with that Griffey, just nice. It's a gold. Here's one of the Mookie Betts inserts. Pretty nice looking little insert set there. So there you go for box one. Got the Edgar Martinez short print. I got a Griffey 84, not bad. Go with our manufactured patch card, Pudge Rodriguez. Nice one right there. So we're already getting doubles out of our last box here. This looks like a repeat. I saw vintage stock, Carl Edwards Jr. See the logo here, should be numbered to 99 on the back. So those aren't very easy to pull. Yep, this is like almost exact same box that we just got. Almost card for card. There's 150 years insert. Another one of the Mookie Betts. Yep, see another Luke Voigt. Him out of our last box. So unfortunately, I'm just going through 2 boxes of almost the exact same cards, which means probably none of the rookies are going to be in this one either. Nope, that looks familiar. Another one of those. Phil Rizzuto. There's a Tyler O'Neill. That's a variation right there. Check the code here at the bottom. 4031. Photo variations. The inserts are about the only cards that were different out of those 2 boxes. A gold Peter O'Brien, numbered to 2019. Okay, well, unfortunately, I had to show you that. It's not exactly what we're looking for. We grab 2 blasters and get almost identical boxes, except for the inserts. So we're hoping the 3rd time's the charm here. Get into my commemorative patch card here. Got this one sealed up. Oh, nice. I like that one. Bo Jackson. It's a gold. Got a Snarl. Hank Aaron. I'm already seeing some doubles that we got already. So the Andrew McCutcheon that we've already got. So here's, I think that's the third one of those out of the 3 boxes. So it's not good. Look at, that's a cool one right there. Gary Carter short print. This one's the iconic card reprint. Ty Cobb. Another home run card. Rhys Hoskins, that's a good one. It's an 84 top set. Oh my goodness, these are all the same cards. It's our third Jairo Munoz, our third Dexter Fowler, our third Alex Verdugo. Oh my goodness. Sanchez, 150 years. It's another Mookie Betts insert. I mean, these are all the same cards out of every single box. Look, there's our third Luke Voigt. Unbelievable, man. So we're not going to get any of the rookies. We got 3 of the exact same boxes. How about that? I just grabbed 3 of the front boxes out of the display. And they're all the same cards. It's a little disappointing. How are they going to put all the same? I mean, you guys are seeing this. This is 3 of the exact same boxes. Look at this. I mean, you can't make this up. This is the 3rd time we've seen this guy. We're not going to get anything. Here's Albert Pujols again. Wow. That's really disappointing. That's $60 right there, and I got 3 of the same box. I guess if it was loaded with all the rookies, I wouldn't be complaining, but how in the world can you buy 3 boxes all in a row off of a fresh display and all 3 boxes have the exact same cards in them? Unbelievable. 3 short prints. I like the Griffey. I like the Bo. A couple home run challenge cards. But other than that, I'm chalking this one up to a pretty big disappointment. I'm hoping the next blasters are going to do a little bit better for me. But anyway, sorry for the triple play on this one, guys. We'll hopefully have a little bit better luck next time. But thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.